Introducing ORGANOIL's Hard Burnishing Oil Interior Surface Sealer. In this session we will demonstrate the finish using a power sander. Before you start you will need the following items. Starting off with either 320 or 400 grit Velcro back paper, sand until smooth. It is important that sawdust is retained on the surface and on the paper. Apply the first coat liberally for overall penetration, approximately 30 minutes on softwoods, 2 to 3 hours on hardwoods. It is important to apply the second coat before the first coat has dried. Second coat should be applied sparingly. Leave for a few minutes, then commence sanding with the 320 or 400 Velcro back paper previously used and embedded with sawdust. A slurry paste will form. This will become your grain filler and should be the consistency of toothpaste. Using a paper towel under the power sander, remove excess slurry and oil. It may be necessary to use several pieces of paper towel, making sure the surface is dry before moving to 1200 grit. To obtain a higher luster, commence polishing with 1200 grit. This friction will generate heat to harden the oil into the timber. Before moving to 1500 grit, it is essential to dry the surface using a paper towel under the machine. Moving now to 1500 grit to enhance the shine and assist in the hardening of the surface. Finish with a paper towel under the machine to buff. We recommend to leave 24 to 48 hours before using. After this time it is optional to power buff with a lamb's wool pad.